Hi, Krystal Jackson with Barbie Jackson Insurance, here to talk to you today about the 6 questions to ask when getting a builder's risk quote. So, to start with, when to bind? When do we need coverage to go into place? This is going to be a question that if you're working with a lender, you will want to discuss with them first of all. Some will allow you to go ahead and get started and will take a draw and just require coverage to be in place after the slab is poured. Others want coverage in place at the time of the closing on the construction loan. Another thing that is important to consider is if you were paying cash or don't have a loan, is that if you get 30% or more done in construction, most builder's risk insurance companies will no longer offer a quote. So it would be important to make sure coverage is secured at a minimum before that point, if not earlier. The next thing is, how is the limit determined? Well, whether you're talking about a new construction or a renovation project, a lot of the factors are going to be, what is the cost of construction? If it's a new build, you're hiring a builder to build it. They will provide you with the cost, the full complete cost of construction, and that's what we're going to want to insure it for, as that is the most accurate replacement cost amount. If it's a renovation project, then the existing structure is oftentimes covered at an actual cash value basis, and then the repairs, remodels are covered at replacement costs. And again, that construction value will often be provided by the contractor to determine the total amount of the project. The third important question is, can the policy limit change? If you've ever done anything with construction, then you know that the costs fluctuate from start to finish. So what we want to do is when we start the policy, as we previously discussed, working with the contractor to determine the amount. But then as you get into the project, as things either change, costs go up or down, we can endorse or revise the policy midterm to reflect the new amounts. The fourth thing is, what type of policy do I need? If you're doing a new construction, you're a homeowner, and it's a one-shot policy, it would be a single-shot policy. If you're a contractor looking to cover multiple projects, we have the option of doing a reporting form, in which case you would report the homes as you are going to start each project, or we can do a blanket policy to cover anything that you may work on during the course of the policy term. The fifth question is, what about specialty coverages and endorsements? What do I need? Well, if you're in Florida, the most important one is going to be wind coverage and making sure the policy is endorsed to include wind. There's also coverage for soft costs, meaning engineering architectural costs that may come up in the course of construction or renovation. There's the installation coverage for the goods as they're delivered to the project site, but before they're installed into the home or commercial building. And the list goes on. There's endless number of endorsements we can add to the policy to meet the needs of the specific project in question. And the sixth and last question is, how do agents choose the carrier? What carrier am I going with? Well, the answer to that is, it's very specific to the type of project that we're looking at. So not every carrier will do a renovation. Not every carrier will do a new construction. There's limitations based on the location of the project. So it'll be important for the agent to know the scope of the work and the type of construction that's going to be done, all the details, location, to help you find the best carrier that will fit your needs and provide the best coverage. Thank you for taking your time to listen to the video today. And remember, you can go to barbiejackson.com for more information. Thank you.